Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see, man. You already know how we doing, man. Don't mind the mess in the back. I've been moving all my sneakers from this side of the room to the other side because my heater's on this side, and it turned like a good amount of my dead stock shoes like yellow. So yeah, we had to make that switch. But anyways, we are back today with another sneaker review. As you guys can already tell by the title, it is the Jordan 3 Cool Grays, man. Here's the box. I don't know if this is the classic box because I never had the Jordan 3 Cool Grays. But yeah, here's the box. Red Jumpman on top. It's different from the other Jordan 3 boxes because Jordan 3 boxes usually lift it. But it has the elephant print over here. It is in gray. The Torp Haze 4s that are coming out, they're following like this colorway of the box as well, I think. I don't know, they being weird with the boxes, man. This right here is a size 8.5, so I'll be bringing you guys an on foot of the sneaker. The retail on these was $190, and the color code reads silver, sport red, light graphite. As for Cool Gray 3s, they are a very classic sneaker that released in the early 2000s. I forgot what year. I wasn't a huge fan of them. That's why like I don't know the specifics. But this is the first time of them retroing. They are a cool looking sneaker. This Cool Gray right here has my heart, man. The Cool Gray 4s. I feel like the Cool Gray 3s just don't compete with the Cool Gray 4s. Like I beat up this pair. It's one of my like daily pairs that I wear, and as you guys can see, I be in the trenches with these joints. So those are like my favorite Cool Grays. And then there's the Cool Gray 9s and the Cool Gray 11s. So the Cool Gray 3s is just like forgotten about. Let's get into the unboxing, and I'm gonna take my first look at these joints. Boom. So as you flip open the box, they have the elephant print tissue paper right here for the sneaker, and flipping it open, boom, there's the sneakers. All right. So as for my first look on these, they're pretty cool, man. They pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick B-roll of the sneakers so you guys get the full look of all the details. I'm gonna come back with the material and colorway breakdown, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, as you guys can see all the details, the release on these was kind of weird because a lot of stores got shipments delayed. I don't know if it's because of the snowstorm in the Midwest. Like Texas is frozen right now, which is like super weird. And yeah, a lot of shipments are being delayed to like Foot Locker, so only Champs released these in person this weekend. But I was able to get my hands on a pair, 8.5, to bring you guys a review, man. Now let's get into the colorway breakdown of this sneaker, man. The two grays, light and dark, make up most of this shoe right here. As you guys can see on the toe box, it is that lighter gray, and it goes all the way around to the middle on both sides of the sneaker. The little part under it, I don't even know what it's called, has that light gray as well. Now as for the dark gray on the back, by the ankle part, is in that color, along with the heel tab and the midsole. As you guys can see, the Jordan Jumpman is red with the Nike Air being orange. There's also orange accents on the lace holes and the red Jordan Jumpman up top. Now as for the outsole, it is black and that darker gray with Jordan right here in red, and then the midsole is white with the darker gray. As for laces, it comes with white laces. I don't think there is an extra pair of laces in here. There isn't. And then the ankle liner part is also in white. But the inside of the tongue is in that dark gray with the outside of the tongue being in that light gray. And we can't forget about the elephant print on the Jordan 3s, man. That's what makes the Jordan 3s the Jordan 3s, the elephant print. So they have the elephant print around the toe up front and the elephant print in the back, man. Now as for the material, it is a funny looking material because you can see like the leather like details on it, but it's not leather. But then again, it's not suede. So it might be that nubuck, but I thought Jordan Brand don't use nubuck on their shoes no more. But who knows, man? Who knows? There's that. Everything else is pretty much similar to the Jordan 3 with the rubber outsole and then the midsole right here. The one part I don't like about Jordan 3's releasing is that they're coming out with this like thin tongue. Usually Jordan 3's come with like a fatter tongue. I would grab my pair back there. Usually like older Jordan 3's came out with like a fatter tongue right here. I don't know, they've been releasing this since the UNC 3's and I personally don't like it. Like I like the fatter tongue, you feel me? That's more of the classic look. But this is more of a sleek look, so who knows, man? Who knows? Maybe I need to transition over because they're making all 3's like that now. Let's hop into the sizing, man. Sizing on Jordan 3's, I would just recommend going true to size. Jordan 3's usually fit true to size. You don't have to go up half a size, down half a size. Like Jordans sometimes fit big, but Jordan 3's, you're good money. So just get true to size. And with sizing always comes comfort. Jordan 3's, it's a Jordan, you feel me? Like Jordans aren't really known to be the most comfortable. These are more comfortable than Jordan 1's just because it has an air unit in there. So yeah, it'll be like a 6.5, not a 6. Like I usually rate Jordan 6's, like Jordan 1's, I mean 6 out of 10. And other shoes, if it has like a better cushioning, then it's like 6.5 or 7. Like Jordans will never be as comfortable as like your Ultra Boost, your Yeezys, or like your Reacts or anything like that. So just comfort wise, it's like a 6.5 out of 10. With all that being covered, now let's just hop into a quick little on feet to give you guys a little look on how these look on feet, and then we'll come back and wrap things up with my resell prediction on these and my final thoughts. So let's cut to that. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the on feet look I gave you guys. It was just like a quick little look, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't plan on wearing these shoes, so I just brought you guys a little on feet. Now as for my resale predictions on these retailed at $190 and right now it's bricking pretty bad. Like your payout on StockX is like near retail or under retail if you live in states that have tax. So I personally don't really see Jordan 3's going up unless it's a OG colorway. So this is a very classic colorway, but it's not the OG like 3. So you have, or 4, you have the fire reds, the true blues, the white cements, and black cements. If it's not any of those 3 or 4, I don't really see this sneaker going up much in the near future. But your OG sneakerheads, they will appreciate this shoe. Like I appreciate how this shoe looks and it's clean, but I just have too many sneakers to be wearing. So therefore, personally, I won't be like buying more of these to be like invested into like a lot of people do nowadays. I don't think these will go up too much as they're bricking pretty hard and stores still didn't get shipments in of them yet. So once it becomes more saturated, I do think these will be around retail for a hot minute and then go up over time just because like supply is going to go down, you feel me? But I'll be dropping these overall. But like I said, I won't be reselling these besides the people that ask me for them. I'll probably pick up those pairs provided, but I won't be holding on to these. This just be like a quick little flip. Now to wrap things up with my final opinions, I already gave you guys the gist of it. I have the Cool Grade 4s already, and this is one of my favorite sneakers as opposed to the Cool Grade 3s. Side by side, I don't know, I'm a 4s person, but these are pretty clean though. So I do think that it is a very clean sneaker and it's a classic colorway, but I won't be copping these for myself or holding on to them. But yeah, man, that wraps up this video. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Comment down below what you guys think about the sneaker, and y'all make sure y'all be safe and stay swaggy, man. I'm out.